रसीदक इस वक्त आपको लिए चलते हैं, आरबीआई गवर्नर खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Prices. Global financial markets regained buoyancy in April on vaccine optimism after bouts of volatility in February and March, followed by corrections. Moving to domestic developments, aggregate supply conditions are underpinned by the resilience of the agriculture sector. The record food grains production and buffer stocks in 2020-21 provide food security and support to other sectors of the economy in the form of rural demand, employment and agricultural inputs and supplies, including for exports. The forecast of a normal monsoon by the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) is expected to sustain rural demand and overall output in 21-22, while also having soothing impact on inflation pressures. Aggregate demand conditions, particularly in contact intensive services, are likely to see a temporary dip depending on how the COVID situation unfolds. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, businesses and households are learning to adapt. And this is something which has been very well noticed over the last year. Even with local containment measures, businesses, small businesses, and the big businesses, big and small and medium, I think everybody has learned how to survive and how to do business in an environment of containment, in an environment when there are physical restrictions, or rather restrictions on physical movement. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, that's what I was alluding to. With restrictions and containment measures being localized and targeted, businesses and households are learning to adopt. Consequently, the dent to aggregate demand is expected to be moderate in comparison to a year ago. Reports suggest that the disruption in manufacturing units so far is minimal. Consumption demand is holding up, with sales of consumer goods rising in double digits in January to March, and average daily electricity.
तो आप देख रहे थे शक्तिकांत दास, गवर्नर आरबीआई खिताब कर रहे थे।